Planning to travel Maui, Hawaii? If yes, then here are 6 helicopter tours that you must check. Maui, folks, is often called the Valley Isle, and for good reason. This Hawaiian gem is the second largest island in the state and truly a world-class tropical paradise. What makes Maui so special? Its mind-blowing diversity. You'll find everything from stunning golden beaches and dense, vibrant rainforests to the majestic, volcanic slopes of Haleakala. While you're there, you absolutely have to check out Haleakala National Park, take the unforgettable road to Hana, explore the pristine waters of Molokai crater, soak up the sun on countless beautiful beaches, and even try your hand at surfing lessons. Want to see it all without breaking a sweat? A helicopter tour is hands down one of the best and easiest ways to take in the breathtaking beauty of this island paradise. Number 1 on the list is the Doors Off West Maui and Molokai, a 45-minute helicopter tour where you will enjoy scenic vistas of towering waterfalls, sparkling rainbows, and unspoiled valleys thick with rainforest. And it is one of the best reviewed tours available. Want to travel the famous road to Hana? Then check out this tour. First, a luxurious limo will take you to the road to Hana, stopping at the Hawaiian hamlet of Keanai and at a gorgeous waterfall where you'll have time to swim. You'll also enjoy a beachside lunch before eventually boarding a helicopter for an incredible 36-minute flight above Haleakala crater and the island's rugged coast. The total activity time is 6 hours. Lunch as well as entrance fee included to Waihanapanapa State Park is included. The next one is one more, West Maui and Molokai helicopter tour that will soar for 45 minutes over Maui's tropical rainforests and deep valleys. Want to fly longer? Then this 75-minute helicopter tour is for you. Here you will soar over hidden waterfalls and hover above tropical rainforests, inaccessible by land on this helicopter tour of West Maui and Molokai. A flyby of the nearly 4,000-foot tall Molokai cliffs descending straight into the ocean and a waterfront landing make for an extra thrilling experience. If you are looking to fly over Maui, Molokai, and Lanai, then this 3-island helicopter adventure is for you. You will take off from Maui, we'll soar over Maui's lush shores and waterfalls, and get an up-close look at Elephant Rock. We'll see ancient fish pools and towering sea cliffs above Molokai, and witness the north shore of Lanai and the famous W. Wonsuru shipwreck, and we'll get a bird's-eye view of Lahaina on your way back. The 6th one on the list is Hana Rainforest and Haleakala Crater Helicopter Tour. Here on this phenomenal East Maui helicopter tour, soar high above the cinder cones of Haleakala Crater and see hidden waterfalls, valleys, and bays on the rugged East Maui coastline. You will love the narration by the pilot and flight time is 45 minutes. Apart from that, another tour is the Waterfalls of West Maui and Molokai helicopter tour with a flight time of 50 minutes where you will fly by Kahului, Wailuku, Waihi, Kahakuloa Bay, Pu'ukoi, Molokai, and Pelekunu Bay. And I have added a few more similar tours in the description. So these were some of the best Maui helicopter tours. Thanks for watching.